Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly important. Seeds! In this video we're going to explore 4 seeds that you should definitely be adding to your diet and 4 that you might want to avoid. We'll look at the science behind why these seeds are beneficial or potentially harmful, helping you make more informed choices for your health. Let's get started. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. These little seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body can't make on its own, so you need to get them from your diet. They help reduce inflammation, which can lower your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Studies have shown that chia seeds can improve heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and increasing good cholesterol. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, mix them into smoothies, or even make a chia seed pudding. Trust me, your heart and digestive system will thank you. Next up, we have flax seeds. These seeds are rich in lignans and omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their cholesterol-lowering properties. Lignans are a type of antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and may even lower the risk of certain cancers. Flax seeds are also excellent for improving digestive health. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps to regulate bowel movements and support a healthy gut. Ground flax seeds are more easily digestible, so try adding them to your morning cereal, smoothies, or even baked goods. Just a tablespoon a day can make a significant difference in your health. Pumpkin seeds, often overlooked, are actually nutritional powerhouses. They are a fantastic source of magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. Research indicates that pumpkin seeds can support prostate health and improve sleep, thanks to their high magnesium content. You can enjoy pumpkin seeds as a snack, add them to salads, or blend them into your smoothies. They're versatile and delicious, making it easy to reap their numerous health benefits. Hemp seeds are another excellent addition to your diet. They contain a perfect balance of essential fatty acids and are a complete protein source, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs but can't produce on its own. Studies suggest that hemp seeds can help with skin disorders and improve heart health. Additionally, the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in hemp seeds can support cardiovascular health. You can sprinkle them on your cereal, blend them into smoothies, or even add them to your baking recipes. Their nutty flavor complements a variety of dishes, making them both a tasty and nutritious choice. While poppy seeds are often used in baking and cooking, they come with some risks. Poppy seeds can contain opiates like morphine and codeine, which can be problematic. In rare cases, consuming poppy seeds has been linked to positive drug tests, which can be particularly concerning for athletes and professionals who undergo regular testing. If you enjoy poppy seeds, it's best to consume them in moderation. Be aware of the potential risks, and consult with a healthcare provider if you have concerns. Apple seeds contain a compound called amygdalin, which can release cyanide when digested. While consuming a few seeds accidentally is unlikely to cause harm, ingesting large amounts can be toxic. It's important to note that the flesh of the apple is perfectly safe and nutritious. When cutting or juicing apples, be cautious to remove the seeds to avoid any potential risk. Always supervise young ones when they are eating apples to ensure they don't accidentally swallow the seeds. Tomato seeds might seem harmless, but they can cause digestive issues for some people. They are high in lectins, a type of protein that can bind to cell membranes and may contribute to digestive discomfort or inflammation in sensitive individuals. If you are prone to digestive issues or kidney stones, it might be wise to limit your intake of tomato seeds. You can still enjoy the flesh of the tomato, which is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, without the potential drawbacks of the seeds. Apricot seeds, like apple seeds, contain amygdalin. When ingested, amygdalin can release cyanide, posing a serious health risk. Consuming large quantities of apricot seeds can lead to cyanide poisoning, which can cause symptoms like dizziness, nausea, and even death in severe cases. To stay safe, avoid eating apricot seeds and educate others about their potential dangers. Enjoy apricots for their delicious and nutritious flesh, which is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, without risking your health by consuming the seeds. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to seeds you should be eating and those you should avoid. We've covered the amazing benefits of chia flax pumpkin and hemp seeds, as well as the potential risks associated with poppy apple tomato and apricot seeds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content. I'd also love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these seeds? What's your experience been like? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos on nutrition and healthy living. Until next time, take care.